First, open the Settings app. Tap Connections. Then tap Bluetooth. Make sure the Bluetooth toggle is turned on. If your Bluetooth device is already paired but not connecting, tap the gear icon next to the device. Then tap Unpair. Confirm if prompted. Go back to the Bluetooth screen on your Samsung phone. Wait for the device to appear under Available Devices. Tap on the device name to pair it again. If the problem continues, open the Settings app. Tap the search icon at the top. Search for Reset. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Tap Reset Settings to confirm. Once the reset is complete, turn Bluetooth back on and pair your device again. That's it. This is how you can fix Bluetooth pairing problems on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.